Hello, I'm Stuart Maister, the Chief Storyteller with Strategic Narrative, here for Right Selection, the Speakers Bureau. I want to talk briefly about the importance of getting your story right. It does a number of things. It means that as a leader you can lead your marketplace. Don't have to be the biggest to do that. It means that you need to stand for clear things that are different, special, great. It means you can lead your team or organization more effectively because everyone knows the story, means they're all pointing in the same direction. You can lead key accounts by building a narrative with them that's different from your competitors, better than your competitors, and also creates new realities for them. And it means you can lead thinking in your space. How do you do it? 4 key questions. Who exactly needs to understand this? Who are the people who need to know your story? The why question. Why do you care? Why do they care? How are you special, different, or great? Really defining that's important. And what exactly are you selling? What exactly are they buying? That's the stuff I go through in my keynote speeches, the workshops I facilitate, or my coaching of individual leaders. I hope that's of interest and valuable to you. And if so, please do contact Right Selection.